Off-road! Off-road! Woo! He's going off-road! Hello and welcome back to another video review. Today we are looking at an all-new kids ride-on truck from McBob, which comes with a bunch of little safety features and even a little remote control so you can always keep your peace of mind. This little Jeep will give your toddlers hours of fun and smiles galore. In the next few minutes, Daniel and I are going to show off some of the awesome features, and near the end of the video there will be a short assembly montage that I recorded during the half an hour that it took me to put it together. For our location, we traveled to a beautiful beach just south of Pier 60 in Clearwater, Florida. Great for swimming, trail walking, and of course, driving around with my son. Now let's get ready to rock and roll. All right, what's your name?
My name's Danil. This is my car.
Oh, cool. Okay, show me how you get inside your car. All right, and you get inside the cool car. And we got this cool car. It's a McBob cool car, and we got the pink one because we don't care about colors. That's right. Pink and blue with your shirt looks awesome. Turn it on. Oh, there you go. Okay, power's on. Power's on. And now you're ready to go. All right. All right. Look at you go. All right. Nice. Here we go. Watch. Okay, so you can see it for yourself, the old McBob child's Jeep car thing. It's awesome. It's awesome. He loves it. The pink color, everybody thinks it stands out. They think it's cool. He keeps getting compliments on it, and all the girls want to ride it too. But there's only seat for one. There's only seat for one. So cool. So you're running off of a 12-volt battery with 10 ampere hours, which translates roughly to about 3 hours of drive time for you and your toddler. One of the other awesome features is that it also comes with a 3-point safety belt and 2 locking doors. Not only is that safe, but it's comfortable. Some of the other basic features include things such as a built-in radio, Bluetooth, as well as some songs that are also pre-programmed in there. Although the quality of the speaker is not that great, these features are really cool for the kids themselves. Yeah, good job. You just went across the street. Keep coming. Keep coming, bud. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, car's coming. Here, car's coming. Here, come over here. Come over here. Whew. All right, Daniel is coming back from his long expedition. We went all the way down the trails here at the Sand Key Park in Clearwater, Florida. It was a great time. So now we're gonna be going back to the car. And of course, rather than having to carry the kid at the end of the day, he can drive himself back in this awesome, cool pink and purple Rover, or Jeep, or whatever you wanna call this thing. The McBob Rover, Jeep, Wrangler, definitely fun to have. Daniel loves it. Are you having fun? Are you having fun driving it?
Yep.
Yep. Yep, you heard that. He said yep, which means it's awesome. 5 stars. All right. Yeah, good job. We made it. You did it, bud. You made it all the way here. How do you feel? You feel good?
Yes. Bye-bye. We'll see you next time.
You so cute. You miss
Yes.
Yes.
So as
far as the assembly goes, the process was quite simple. The instructions did not take very long to put together, and only a few times did I have any questions. Of course, referring to the manual, I was able to solve them quite quickly, and overall it took me about 30 minutes to put the car together. I've had the McBob car now for just about a month, and we've not had any issues since day one. So if you're looking for a fun gift to give your kid that he's going to have a lot of good memories with, this is certainly one to take into consideration. Of course, my kid is 3 years old, so it says 1 to 5 years old. I would say anywhere from about 2 to 4 would be perfect for this gift right here. Anyways, have fun. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you next time. Hey, it's okay. Wait, don't put the seat down yet. Don't put the seat in yet. Move. Okay, let's see. All right, you got a windshield. Okay, now we gotta put the seat down, right?
Hey!
You like it?
Yeah.
Stop. Okay, watch. See this? Push that one forward. Now go. Now push down on your foot. Push your foot down. There you go. Whoa, stop. We need to go outside with it, right?
Turn off?
We've got this whole thing right here to turn it on. That's how we turn it on. Hold on. We gotta turn it off because we gotta put batteries in it. We gotta charge it with that cord right here. And so we can turn the lights on by turning the lights on and off. All right, bud. Oh, you can go backwards, huh? How do you go forwards? There you go. And we need to go outside so you don't run into stuff.
Yeah.
What? So wait, if you push the buttons, that's cool. You can do Bluetooth, radio, you can do songs, you can turn it on and off, fast, slow, lights, and of course, changing songs back and forth. All right, Daniel. So cool. So cool. Oh boy. Nice, Daniel.